chocolate chip cookies have become an iconic treat around the world. Every year, the cookie industry generates more than $30 billion globally, and in the US alone, people consume over 2 billion cookies annually. But have you ever wondered how chocolate chip cookies are made on such a massive scale? Let's dive into the fascinating process behind creating these delicious treats. It's said that chocolate chip cookies were accidentally invented in 1930 by an American baker. Running low on baking chocolate, she broke a bar of semi-sweet chocolate into small chunks and mixed them into the dough, expecting the chocolate to melt and blend evenly. However, the chocolate pieces didn't fully melt, holding their shape instead. The result was a delightful cookie with pockets of gooey melted chocolate inside. Chocolate chip cookies are typically made in large quantities within factories using an automated process. The journey begins in the ingredient preparation room, where specialists ensure every component is ready to create the ideal dough. Bulk quantities of key ingredients like sugar, oil, and flour are kept in massive silos outside the factory. Maintaining a precise rotation of these supplies and storing them under optimal conditions, carefully controlling temperature and humidity, is crucial to preserve their purity and quality. Proper preparation of the ingredients is vital for ensuring the consistency and flavor of the chocolate chip cookies throughout the production process. Once the ingredients are prepped, the next step is mixing the dough. In factories, this is done using a high-capacity industrial mixer designed to handle and blend large volumes of ingredients, both uniformly and efficiently. Dry ingredients such as flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder are added to the mixer. Depending on the machine's design, these components can be added gradually or all at once. As the mixer starts, its powerful blades or paddles blend the ingredients together, ensuring there are no lumps and that the flavors are evenly distributed throughout the dough. Once the dry ingredients are thoroughly blended, it's time to add the liquid ingredients, such as butter, eggs, and vanilla extract. These liquids are introduced gradually to ensure an even distribution and to prevent the dough from becoming too wet. The mixer continues to run, carefully infusing the liquids into the dough. This step is critical in cookie production, as it ensures the perfect balance of ingredients and a consistent, smooth texture. Using an industrial mixer allows for efficient large-scale mixing while maintaining the high quality and uniformity of the dough. Next, the chocolate chips are prepared. These small chocolate pieces are key to adding flavor and texture to the cookies. The quantity of chips may vary depending on the recipe and the manufacturer's preferences. Gentle mixing ensures the chips are evenly distributed throughout the dough without breaking, allowing for a perfect spread of chocolate chunks in every bite of the final cookie. During baking, the chips melt slightly, creating delightful pockets of rich, melted chocolate. This not only enhances the flavor, but also adds a delightful surprise with every bite, making the cookies irresistibly delicious. At this stage, the machinery and production line are set up to shape the cookies. This process involves making sure the equipment is functioning correctly and adjusted to meet the exact specifications for the size and shape of the chocolate chip cookies. The dough, now containing the chocolate chips, is transferred from the mixer to a cookie-forming machine. This machine portions out the dough onto baking trays. Depending on its design, the dough can be divided into individual portions, which are then shaped into round cookies. The machinery is calibrated to guarantee uniform size and thickness, ensuring consistency across every cookie. Precise adjustments to the amount of dough deposited onto the baking trays ensure there is enough space between each cookie, preventing them from sticking together during baking and allowing them to expand evenly. During the cookie forming process, visual inspections are carried out to check for any defects or irregularities in shape or appearance. Any cookie that doesn't meet the set quality standards is either removed or manually adjusted before moving on to the next stage of production. This step ensures consistency and maintains the high-quality appearance of every cookie. The industrial oven is preheated to the ideal temperature for baking, which can range from 175 to 190 degrees Celsius, depending on the recipe and manufacturer guidelines. Baking time also varies, but chocolate chip cookies typically take about 10 to 15 minutes to bake. This careful control of time and temperature is vital to ensure the cookies bake evenly and achieve the perfect texture. During the baking process, the cookie dough expands while the chocolate chips melt slightly, creating pockets of gooey chocolate throughout. As they bake, the cookies gradually flatten and can nearly double in diameter. Maintaining a close watch on both time and temperature is essential to ensure the cookies bake evenly, achieving the right balance of a soft interior and a crisp, golden brown exterior without burning. Once fully baked, the cookies are removed from the oven and allowed to cool on the trays for a few minutes. This initial cooling helps them set before being transferred to cooling racks, where they cool completely. Proper cooling is key to locking in their texture, allowing the outside to crisp up while keeping the inside soft and chewy. After cooling on the racks for around 10 to 15 minutes, the cookies firm up and take on their characteristic texture. The exact cooling time may vary depending on the size and thickness of the cookies, but this step ensures they're ready for packaging and distribution. Before packaging, each batch of cookies undergoes a thorough visual inspection to ensure they meet the required quality standards. Trained inspectors examine the cookies for any irregularities in shape, color, or texture. If any defects are found, such as uneven baking, discoloration, or incorrect sizing, the affected cookies are removed from the batch and discarded. Once the cookies pass the inspection and their quality is confirmed, they move on to the packaging stage. Automated packaging machines play a crucial role in this process, ensuring efficiency and consistency. Depending on the product specifications and brand, the cookies may be individually wrapped in plastic bags or neatly arranged in boxes. As part of the packaging process, labels and barcodes are applied to each package, providing important product information such as the expiry date, ingredients, and nutritional details. In some factories, weight control is an essential part of the packaging process. To ensure each package contains the specified number of cookies, scales or weight control systems are used. These systems verify that the cookies meet the predetermined weight standards, ensuring consistency across every package. This not only helps maintain quality control, but also enhances customer satisfaction by guaranteeing that consumers receive exactly what they expect. Once the chocolate chip cookies are packaged and pass all quality checks, they are stored in designated areas that maintain the right conditions to preserve freshness. This careful process ensures that the delicious cookies reach consumers in optimal condition, ready to be enjoyed by cookie lovers everywhere. If you want to know how tomato sauce is made, watch the video on your screen, and please like the video if you enjoyed it and share it with someone who might be interested. Also, subscribe to this channel by activating the notifications to continue learning. Thanks for watching.